disappeared in the first 3 weeks itself, and I shared that. The strengthening took some time. It took around 1.5 months. There is a night and day difference in my knees. I don't have to go for a knee replacement surgery ever in my life. I'm confident about that. It's just one part of what I have got. Secondly, twice I have seen magic with my skin. I had allergic reaction on both of my wrists. I wore something big bracelets, and there was an instant allergic reaction, and it was really bad, rashes and itching, and it was really bad. And I keep on having these things. I have a very sensitive skin, and just blue air for 27 minutes. I ran. It disappeared. It was like a fiction movie. It is disappearing in front of me. I can't believe it. What is this happening? How is it possible? Now, I have not applied anything, nothing, no medicine I've had. Last 2 months, not even supplements I'm having. I'm totally depending on Healy now. Nothing, no crocine, even no painkiller. Then, for last few months, maybe 7-8 months, I had migraine issue, and the frequency, intensity, and duration of migraine was increasing. And it was becoming more intense and more frequent. And you'll not believe, the migraine has been prevented completely. I have not used any program on migraine till now, in last 2 months, not even one single program. And I don't know what was the root cause. I don't know what happened. Why it was there and now why it is not there, but there is no migraine at all. Then another thing about skin, I got a facial done, and there were two big eruptions, one on the right side of my face and one the left side. And it was scary. They were so bad that it was scary. Even my dermatologist was scared to see. Said, "What have you done? Your skin is so sensitive. We don't know what to do with you. Now, all these reactions you have." Said, I was thinking in my mind, "You don't worry. I have Healy. You don't worry." I went back home in 2 hours. She said, "Wait for 24 hours. Don't apply anything. I'll guide you after 24 hours if it does not heal on its own." In 2 hours, completely disappeared, not even one single dot of those eruptions. Then I caught a terrible flu, where I'll say it was the most terrible flu I had ever got. I could not talk. I was coughing all the time. I had a running nose. I was shivering. It was really bad. And then I was thinking that no, I cannot take an off, and I might be now taking antibiotics. And I was ready. Said, let me first try Healy. If it doesn't work, of course, I can go for antibiotics. Third day, only Healy programs, and I can tell you, for joints, joint bone harmony, joints meridian, and flexibility harmony. Migraine, I don't know because I didn't use any program. Skin harmony, meridian, and blue app only. Then this flu, bacteria, shiver, tonsil, and defense. Once I've used defense support. Nothing else. No medicine, nothing. Completely okay. No traces of flu, no cough, nothing. Then my quality of meditation has tremendously improved. I use Coherence program. This is one of my most favorite program. The theta state I go into, the kind of it's like a blank state. I can just be in that meditative state for not just minute, for even an hour. There are no distractions. I'm totally at peace. I'll not say even peace. I want to use word bliss. There is bliss there with Coherence program. And that's so beautiful. Then I had sleep issues, means like sometimes falling going into the sleepy state, and then sometimes like if I get up at 3 a.m. And then it used to become very difficult to go back to sleep again, sometimes like 1 or 2 hours. And this was there for, I don't even remember now, like for years. That has completely disappeared. So many things. Back when I shared last time, within 3 weeks of using Healy, disappeared completely. So much I've got. There is a long list. Everybody in my, at my home uses Healy now. My children, my husband, they're all in love with Healy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hijin, for introducing me to Healy. Thank you so much, Pushji. Big gratitude to you for always being a pillar in Healy community for each one of us. Thank you for all your guidance. And thank you, Leena, for your infectious energy. We all love you for who you are and the vibrance in your presence.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you so much, Preeti. And you know, I love you too. I love your energy. And trust me, I mean, I am not surprised. I am literally not surprised that you are again coming up in the second month, and the list is becoming bigger and bigger because the way you talk, the way that energy is, your subconscious absorbs it. And you know, I mean, the brain has, we all have the ability to create those neuropaths, and which will actually create new level of thoughts and emotions, and that will manifest in your body. So I am not surprised seeing your energy. The higher you vibrate, the higher you manifest. So awesome, Preeti. Thank you so much for coming here again. And it's time for you to touch people's life. I always say that